size of the masts is continuously increasing due to the expansion of the grid. As a result, we face greater challenges when it comes to working safely at height.
I would argue this is one of the tallest masts that Avacon Nets GmbH has as an operator. Today's installation went smoothly and without any issues. We received a very warm welcome and were thoroughly briefed on the next steps. Tasks were assigned and the execution was discussed in detail. At this point, the MSA latchway system proves to be easier to handle, both for climbing itself and, as we observed today, during installation. The advantages are that you only need a very small, simple piece of equipment, the traveling device, to use the MSA latchway system efficiently.
From the very first step, you can safely ascend the mast, which is not the case with all systems. According to compliance and regulations, the fall arrest distance may be up to 1 meter, but as you just saw, the device locks very, very quickly. And this way it means you are never at risk of hitting anything during a fall. For us, a key factor was the simple visual inspection that must be performed before climbing. Of course, you need to be trained beforehand, but after that anyone can check whether the system is in proper condition. You can start climbing immediately without having to check the entire route again.
If you climb with the Y system, you end up spending half the day on it. But here it's quick and efficient. You can be at the top in 15 minutes and it's just as safe.
It is a reliable, safe system with few sources of error, which should be implemented across the board to establish a consistent standard and ensure the same conditions on different construction sites and with various network operators.
We plan to gradually introduce the MSA latchway system on all taller masts, those over 50 meters high. What I saw today and what my colleagues who have already installed and used the system have said is that everyone agrees the system is excellent.